Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the necessity of electric vehicle charging stations. We know that there are a lot of developments are going on in electric vehicle charging industry. The government itself take strong steps to establish a lot of charging station infrastructure across the country. We can see that the IOCL is also setting up a lot of charging stations. I ask you a question. Do we really need these much charging stations? The electric vehicle charging is completely different than the fuel filling of an IC engine vehicle. First point is that it's time consuming. The second most important point is that we can charge our electric car from our home. The overnight charging is the most commonly used electric vehicle charging technique. The drivers park their car at their home and they plug the car into the socket. The next day morning, the drivers get their car fully charged. This is not possible for an IC engine vehicle. But in IC engine vehicle, the fuel filling is just matter of seconds. Let's break down this discussion into 4 or 5 parts. The first one is about the battery of the vehicle. The electric vehicle battery technology is improving day by day. You will get around 200 km range for any electric car in the market. So if you want to drive your vehicle in the city or you just have to go to your office and come back to your home every day, you do not need a public charging station. You can charge your car at your home or your office. Many offices provide electric car charging facility. In this case, you don't have to rely on any public charging stations. But if you own a petrol car, then you definitely have to go to the petrol bunk to fill the fuel. The second point is how much distance you cover. If you travel less than 200 km, you are directly going to your friend's home, then you can charge your electric car from that home. In that situation also, you do not require a public charging station. You can start your car with fully charged from your home and you can reach your destination even before it rains. The third point is that the economics of charging your electric car at your home. As I mentioned earlier, you can charge your electric car at your home. The electricity is cheaper than fuel in most of the countries, so you can charge your electric vehicle from your home. It's economical. The charging at public fast charging stations are costlier than charging at home. The fast charging might affect the life of the battery as well. I'm not sure how hard the impact, but the study shows that the fast charging decreases the life of the battery. If you have a time of use tariff at your home and if you charge your electric car at off-peak hours, the cost to charge will further reduces. You will never get this reduction at any petrol bunks. If you invest for solar charging system at your home, it will again be a better option. Then you will definitely try to go to your home at any cost to charge your electric vehicle rather than going for any public charging stations. Next point is that the charging stations are space consuming. If you have 10 vehicles to charge in a charging station, there should be provision to park these 10 vehicles simultaneously. You cannot wait until one car gets fully charged. So if you are setting up public charging stations, you have to take care of these things. But we would not buy a car to travel for short distances. In this case, we need public charging stations. Obviously, we need public charging stations. But do they have to be a large in number? That is the point of discussion. How do they have to be distributed? Should we set up public charging stations at every petrol bunks? There was one news that the public charging stations outnumbered gas stations in Britain. Is it necessary to have more public charging stations than gas stations to boost the electric vehicle adoption? If you are going for a long drive, it is necessary to place the charging stations at strategic locations. In highways, in every 25 or 50 kilometers, there should be charging stations. Otherwise, you can't do anything if you run out of charge, or you cannot reach the destination if the range of the vehicle is lesser than the total distance that you have to cover. What are your thoughts? How do the charging stations to be distributed? What should be the number of charging stations required? Please comment below. We can have a discussion about this topic. Please comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more electric vehicle related videos. Thanks a lot for watching.